In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to have your abs absolutely screaming. Welcome to one of the most challenging, short 4-minute workout routines for your abdominals that you can perform at home with zero equipment. We've got 7 total exercises we're going to be performing for 30 seconds a piece to hit the lower abdominals, the upper abdominals, and as well those obliques. If you make it through the first round, I challenge you to try and repeat this workout between 2 and 3 total times. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, we're going to kick this off here by getting into 30 seconds of the plank shoulder taps. So getting into a raised plank position here, feet nice and wide. You're going to try and keep that torso nice and stationary, prevent that rotation of the body every time you lift your arm to touch your shoulder here. Control at all times, never holding your breath. You always want to be breathing here. Keep that core nice and tight. Good. 3 more seconds and we're going to get into mountain climbers. Good. Get ourselves in position here. And go. Now this is going to help us to hit those lower abdominals. So be thinking about that every time you bring your knee towards the chest. Good, halfway, 15 more seconds. After this, we're going to be getting into the jackknives, hit the lower and upper abdominals. Good, perfect. Hit the deck here. Okay, we're going to raise up, bring those feet, and get those hands to touch at the same time. Nice and under control here. This is the one where I really start to feel it. You want to focus on reaching for those toes every time you get up there. Get those shoulder blades off the ground. Good. Next we're going to get lying toe touches here. So shoulder blades off the ground. You're going to go ahead, reach over to the sides. Sorry, these are going to be the heel touches. Does that help you hit those obliques? Good, under control. Shoulder blades off the ground the whole time here. If you need to take a break, do so, and then try and get right back into it. Perfect. Next we're gonna get into the lying toe touches. So, legs up in the air here, reach for those toes. Reach for the sky, that is. Again, if you need to take a break, go ahead and do so, and then get right back into it. Even I have to take breaks as well. You might have the look of the physique, but 225 pounds is tough to move here. Get right back into it. Perfect. Okay. Next, we're going to be getting into the crunches here. Let's get the shoulder blades off the ground for every repetition here. Try and keep that chin away from the chest here. Keep it off. This is going to prevent that straining in the neck. Keep your gaze focused on the ceiling here. Perfect. Good. After this, we've got our finishing exercise, which is going to be some plank jacks. Raise plank jacks, that is. Squeeze those abdominals, keep on pushing, good. All right, let's get into position here. Raise above here, okay, out and then in. Keep that core nice and tight. Push, push. 15 seconds, let's see if we can finish this all in one go. Core tight, core tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and good. So there you are, abdominal hell in about 4 minutes. I told you it was challenging for how short it was. Hey man, if you want to push yourself, I challenge you to repeat this workout between 2 and 3 total times. And if you do make it a second or a third time, let me know down in the comments how your abs feel after. I know they're gonna be torched. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to smash that like button down below, and also be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next workout.